me today is the slowest you will ever move with BOKS, but don't let it fool you, it's not as easy as it looks. Sometimes we move so fast that we forget to pay attention to our bodies and we can end up hurting ourselves. Being mindful and slowing things down helps us in everyday activities and helps tune us into what our bodies are telling us. Slowing down helps us be present in whatever activity we're trying. It reminds us to take a pause instead of rushing through. Taking time to pause or slowing down helps us create space to better understand why we feel the way we feel sometimes. Find some space away from your friends and any other objects. We're going to start by running on the spot for 30 seconds. Ready? Let's go. After 30 seconds, switch your run to slow motion. Move as slowly as you possibly can, as if you're in a slow motion movie. We can use our balancing skills to help us when we're in slow-mo. Take a few moments to reflect on what it felt like to be in slow motion. Was it hard to balance? What did you notice? Maybe your heartbeat or the sound of your breathing. Feel free to try your own movements and then switch them to slow motion and share with us anything that you notice. Have a great day, everyone. BOKS rocks!